Most people get this wrong when it comes to solitaire apps. They assume every game that says, "Earn money" will actually pay you quickly and easily. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only a small number of apps are consistent, legit, and actually worth your time in 2026. In this video you'll learn the top 5 solitaire apps that really pay real money, how they work, and what you need to watch out for, so you don't waste your time or get stuck waiting for withdrawals that never arrive. Let's get straight into it. First up is Solitaire Cash. This is one of the most popular skill-based solitaire apps right now. The idea is simple. You enter cash tournaments against real players, and the fastest and most accurate player wins. But here's the catch. You usually need to deposit to join real money games. So think of it more like a competitive skill game, not free money. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second app is Cash Giraffe-style solitaire platforms that rotate reward offers. These apps don't always pay directly for solitaire wins, but they give points for gameplay time and tasks. Alex, a casual player from Texas, used it during breaks, and slowly built enough points for small gift card payouts. Third is Bingo Cash, which includes solitaire-style mechanics in its mini-games. It's not pure solitaire, but the skill-based structure is similar. The payouts depend on tournament rankings, so consistency matters more than luck. Fourth is Brainium Solitaire Apps. Now this one is different. It doesn't always pay cash directly, but it connects through reward partners in some regions. This is where most people fail. They expect instant cash apps, but these systems often rely on external reward conversions. Now, the fifth option is misplay-style reward ecosystems, where solitaire or card games appear as part of a wider game library. You earn points by playing, then redeem for gift cards. Jake, a student from California, used this method daily and cashed out small rewards over time. But here's the problem with all these apps. None of them will make you rich. The real benefit is small extra income, not a full-time earnings source. And you need to be consistent and patient. Also, always check availability in your country, because some of these apps work only in specific regions and payment systems vary. So here's the simple takeaway. If you want quick cash, these apps are not the answer. But if you want casual rewards while playing solitaire, these are the most reliable options in 2026. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more real updated app breakdowns that actually save you time.